Hello everyone! We're gonna start today's project with a small brush and light pink paint. First, we'll create an oval in the middle of the artwork. Next, we'll add a short line on each side and then we'll connect it with another arch. Now we'll paint a slightly tilted line on each side. Now let's connect both lines with an arch on the bottom. Let's grab a medium-sized brush and dip it in light pink paint. We'll outline and paint in the pot, leaving the opening white. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light green paint to start painting cactus. We'll begin by painting a long oval outline. Now let's paint it in. Next, we'll start adding branches. I'm adding second layer to make the paint brighter. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light brown paint to create a straight line on each side of the pot. Next, we'll outline the bottom part of the pot. Next, you can paint in everything below that brown line. We'll dip our brush in darker brown to add a shadow under the pot. Next, we'll paint inside of the pot. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark green paint to add lines on top of the cactus. Let's switch to a small brush and darker pink paint. We'll paint a pink line to separate top and bottom parts of the planter. Now we'll add some darker pink on the inside of the planter. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in white paint to create a zigzag line on top of the planter. We'll skip some space and we'll create another zigzag line on top of the first one. Now we'll add some small circles above the lines. Next, we'll add couple white brush strokes to create highlights on top of the planter. Let's switch to a medium-size brush and yellow paint to outline and paint in the rest of the background. You can switch to a large brush to paint in large areas of the background. I am using medium-size brush and dark brown paint to add second layer. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light pink paint to create a flower on top of the cactus. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and white paint to add spines to the cactus. Let's dip our brush in yellow paint to add a circle in the middle of the flower. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to see more.